U abu tahir Mondal ubolong MLA barim jong kaseng Congress na Pulbury constituency but lampang barim ka ying do bartawan ka jala menta kasi ka laitrik no pra uloong karai bo un pynïasoh sa kaseng National People Party kadai ka bo sim haringkat ka ba handai ka daw ka ba hakmat kadai na ka jinglap jong u kadai bo siam ba hapo ka jila mu konrat sangma uyo I bak sarkar bat ka party ka Baskhem bat ka bayai ne.
Now many will ask that why I have finally chosen NPP. The best thing is that what I was thinking, considering my personal experience in politics from 1998, stability is the major factor for the overall development for the state. And in that place, I have seen in 1998, in 5 years, almost 5 governments were installed. So any government changes in between, there is change in the programs and policies, and ultimately whose benefit gets disrupted. It is the people of the state. Subsequent years also I have seen that even from the same dispensation, from the same political party, if the government is headed by their own MLA, but still there was change of guard, it could not continue more than 2-3 years, something like that we have seen when I was in Congress also. Then when we were in opposition, I lost the election and we could not form the government. And I don't know how many times or how many days we spent just speculating that government will fall, government will fall, government will fall, because it was a conglomeration of 7 political parties at that particular point of time. So we were keeping on praying that let this government fall, we got an opportunity, so our chief minister will be there, ultimately we'll get the benefit. But anytime some news come, next day we see that the government has come out much more stronger way. I thank Mr. Chief Minister that he has given his all efforts to see that the people of the state their benefits are not disrupted because the frequent fall of the government. And I have seen the cohesiveness among the leaders, the teamwork where every minister, MLAs, all were working together. Of course, today at the fag end of the term, maybe many will not be happy that this situation has come. Some may leave, some may go. It is something like we see the club football season starts and player changes the side. It happens in every states. It is a new trend set in. Other things is that the localized development, in the sense, especially the poor people of the state, in the name of focus, ES plus, these programs, it may not be resonate in the capital because we don't know the problems through which the farmers are going through. In our area, very soon the paddy cultivation will come and people will have to sow their rice for seedlings. And in that place, everybody is empty-handed because not much businesses are around. So people will be asking for money. And this Focus Plus is directly helping the beneficiaries, and all other programs like distributing the piglets and all these things, people are so happy. And many people, they came voluntarily and asked me that why not you also side with NPP. But then it is not an easy task. I told them, it is not a tea stall. I will order for shingara. Then when shingara comes, then no, I don't require shingara, give me the kochori. So kochori will come. Because the party, when we decide, will have to commit also, and will have to work it also. It is not that every day we will go here. When I enter in this campus, I saw many known faces. In one place or other place, we work together. And I feel that in future also, we will work together. And this working together is not for ourselves. This working together is for the benefit of the most downtrodden and most needy people of our state. I thank Chief Minister. Earlier, we used to have some programs like a budget session or some other things, where we discussed that this time, this financial year, government will take decision to open around 4 blocks or 5 blocks. But almost every day we are seeing that the Chief Minister is busy inaugurating the blocks. But many people also will castigate lots of negative things that, oh, now election has come. so blocks are coming up. It is not. It needs a lot of time to plan. It needs a lot of time to see that how the benefits are equally distributed among the areas. Many times it will have to give on the basis of population, where more population is there to segregate the population. Many times it is given because of the geographical hurdles, because people from one side of the river, they cannot easily travel to the block headquarters and all these things. I thank and congratulate Chief Minister that he has taken human service. And this morning I was telling with my friends that we are very sorry that we are not part of this government. Otherwise, we could have a block our own also. And I would like to get a promise that in future, if God bless us, we have the same formation. If Conrad Sharma leads the government, definitely a subdivision will have to be given in our locality also, because people have to travel a long distance. I'm very happy that today NPP people are very happy in my constituency. They are welcoming me. They are in my constituency also. I'm happy that the entire bloc of Congress, all of them have migrated directly towards NPP. So we are keeping a very good relationship. Some friends have come. Just the day before yesterday, I talked with them. They were working with one independent candidate. I told them that why you join us? Why you join Conrad Sharma? You're joining Mondal doesn't mean that you are joining Mondal. You are joining Conrad Sharma. So they were in doubt whether ultimately I will get the ticket or not. So they were just keeping guessing also, because at the same time my mouth was also locked, because I cannot say unless I am assured or the word comes from the boss's mouth. I cannot tell myself or declare myself candidate also. So people were a little bit doubtful also, that somebody is talking that he is not getting ticket. You are telling that your is not yet confirmed. Then what is happening here? So somehow or other we were there. So I asked them that you join us. Day after tomorrow we are joining. So please come and travel with me. So I thought that if travel with me, they will work with me. If they don't travel, so they will not work. Ultimately, they traveled with me. I thank all of them.